up, AC gang? It's a girl, Abbi here, and another year. So, guys, that video basically for explain why we never did a post, what we did I do, what we did up to. I'm just gonna cut the story short. A couple months ago, but you know what I'm about this, you know. Alright guys, so a couple months ago, I find out say I'm pregnant, right? And I tell Capo about it. I do the test in a like one joke farm. You know, my belly never did feel normal. You know, I'm saying alright then I'm just gonna take it, but at the same time I never did expect nothing that serious from it. Blood clot, do the something result come back. I say the two stick them. So I say that I read the box again and I look back on the something. I say, Jesus Christ. And listen, I sit down there I look on the something for about 2 minutes good. And I start shivering and I start panic. And same time I have to text Capo. Well, I call him first. And then he text me say I'm in a class. So I say, what? And I so come I text him and I tell him say I do one pregnancy test and the test come back with 2 sticks. He must say, what that mean? Tell him say, that means I'm pregnant. And then he must say, I lie me I tell because he must say everything a prank or whatever. So I must say, Capo and I lie me I tell. Bumper clad. Capo starts pass out for me. The boy starts pass out for me. The boy basically blame me about how I make all of this happen. How I so careless, how I so this, how I so that. People must start ball. Literally ball, me a ball, and them start cussing back. I say, what you mean by big and chaos? I done him dirty blood clot. I try to know I dirty him up. I do him so bad. Cause me I say, in this time when he's supposed to comfort me and all of that, he might come attack me. So and this a Capo, I don't know Capo, you know, cause Capo and me, you know, I'm excited about all of this. Even though we broke and hungry, I'm excited about all of this. So after that, the batty boy blocked me. He blocked me off of WhatsApp, he blocked me off a regular text, regular call. I call on his phone, I text on his phone for about almost 3 weeks straight. And I realized I'm not paying my mind, I stop, but at the same time I stress out. I stress right out. I never know what to do. I never know who to talk to. I never want to talk to nobody, period. I just never want to talk to nobody more than him. So that means him that get annoyed, him that get pant up on my nerves. So I say, you know, I fuck this. I just feel discouraged. Because I say, you know, I fuck YouTube too. Because we not get the support we're supposed to get. And we're there long enough. So now, we say, alright, then we're going to make this work. Then we are know as I can see. We don't say we're going to work out this, you know, because at the end of the day, I didn't miss him and then he missed me. It's some claims he missed me. And yeah. So, what can I'm showing now. I think I'm about 4 months now. I see it good.
Wait, we cannot lie. That trick's there now. Why is it lie?
Because it's a prank! So guys, everything we just done in our lives. My love, watch out what this is. Lord Jesus. We have to wear 2 shirts because I never walk up with the balloon too hot. Alright, so guys. Hello! AC gang is back! Yeah.
It feels so weird right now.
It feels weird, yeah. It feels really weird. So guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, go check out our video there, make sure you like, subscribe, share up, subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV, follow up on Instagram, everything there, so down below. So make sure you follow it. We're gonna start post back often, so look out for that. Capo, you have nothing to say?
Right now we're up on the grind, so subscribe and make sure you guys interact and comment and everything, you know.
Yeah, I'm not telling you I'm missing. I went on some party road and I'm talking them things. And I say, I will video them there. I'm not telling you, I don't feel sexy.
Okay. Anyways, people. A lot of videos will be coming and everything. So it'll be a very, very, very fun channel going forward, you know.
Guys, basically the truth is, we just been busy. I work on my life, you know.
Been busy growing my hair.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah, we just been busy at start our life because you know
Oh boy.
we can't just sit on every day on camera so and you know and do certain things but forget our life together. This is the reality. If we start our life and then we come back, we say we now put on more figure quality camera too, you know. So you know if we don't see the quality improve, so just basically them things that we don't work on. But yeah.
So just look forward to more videos.
Yep, make sure to subscribe because prank never come. Cause you know what, your girl Abbi I got start up. Yeah, boy, where you do that for? You know your girl Abbi I got start up.
Be a shot. Bag attack in action.
Guys, I miss you guys. Like it's been a while.
Make sure you're ready. I know that Team Capo is back.
Guys, we basically did Capo did basically trick some of them people, you know. Like
Oh yeah.
yeah, we did send him a picture like I just don't eat and I said, Jesus, Capo, look how my belly big. I'm send him the picture and then him say I'm gonna trick some people with it. And him post it for him, we post it for your WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Everybody start text him and I text him. Glad me never post that in the camera. And I post them over there. Oh, girl for a pitney, I can't even wipe my body good.
Everybody I say, yo, congratulations, I can't believe it.
My love, oh, we do things without bulletproof vest and girls still in the breed. Can I get a wow?
Wow.
Yeah, guys, just look out for more videos coming. Won't miss you know, and you know.
Just jump on the wagon and know say, yo, together we're gonna take it to them straight.
AC gang, guys, go to support, push it because without you know views and them somebody we just feel discouraged. So just make sure so you just
man, just share content and
share,
record it and put it on the WhatsApp and
subscribe.
Call a friend and then watch it too, you know? Yes.
Yeah,
that's what we want.
share, subscribe, like, comment, all of that good stuff there and join Team Abbi because a Team Abbi this.
Because
A girl always a come with the prank them. Always come with the pranks, guys. So yeah.
yeah, people. It's nice to be back on YouTube.
Yeah, you
Feel
good.
weird.
You feel weird.
Yes.
You feel good.
I hear thing. I love it.
I love it.
Feel like me as a stranger to the land.
Oh my god. Alright guys, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. Comment some ideas when you want to see. If you want to tell Capo some ideas, follow him. I am Cappuccino. Inbox him, DM him. Me, Abbi Attaz. And we have a giant channel, Abbi_Capo, you know. Until then, AC gang is
Oh.
bye.